Hi, I'm Alex from Exam Papers Plus, and I'm here to introduce you to our English Comprehension mini masterclasses for the GL 11 Plus assessments. English comprehension can be a challenge. There are so many different styles of question and the text can be tricky. But with the right approach, children can quickly learn what the question is asking and where in the text to find their answer. Our English Comprehension mini masterclasses cover every key question type in the GL exam, from retrieval and recall to voice, tone and purpose. And each 45 to 70-minute lesson explains the techniques step by step with clear examples and expert tips. To support your child even further, we provide a 10+ page worksheet with every masterclass. These include guided examples, space to follow along, and independent questions to check understanding. We aim to build more than just knowledge. We're building confidence, accuracy, and speed, all essential for this time section of the GL 11 Plus. And you can also pause, rewind, and rewatch as often as needed, on any device, anytime. So here's what you get with each English Comprehension Masterclass: a 45 to 70-minute expert-led video, a comprehensive worksheet packed with tips and practice, and unlimited on-demand access to the content. And these are exclusively available through Exam Papers Plus, so get started today. From exam stress to success, visit exampapersplus.co.uk.